Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine Vargas and today we're gonna do another full cut crease tutorials. I've been practicing full cut creases a lot lately just because I'm not the best at it. So I'm jumping in with the Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette and I'm taking the shade Lights Out. And I'm gonna start by packing that and just basically building our shape for the cut crease. Now switching into a pencil brush, I'm going in with the shade Nuke, and that's just gonna go in our inner and outer corners. We're just gonna leave the middle part empty. Then we're gonna go in with the shade Mood, and that's just gonna be put right on the middle where we left it empty. Now I'm switching into a small fluffy blending brush and I'm taking the shade Ecstasy from that palette, and that's just gonna be blended over the Nuke shade. So as you can see, we're gonna put it in our inner and outer corner, leaving the middle blank. Now going in with the shade Makes Wave, that's gonna help us blend out the Mood shade, and we also want to make sure that we're blending this into the Ecstasy shade so everything looks kind of seamless and blended together. So we're gonna go back into all of those shades again and just rebuild, and like I said, make sure that everything's blended because it is a lot of colors that we used, so just making sure that nothing got blended away as well. Then I went ahead and cut my crease off camera using the Tarte Shape Tape. And now I'm using one of these e.l.f. strips to help me do the liner that I want to do. I'm taking the shade Pillow Talk. This is just going to go all over that cut crease as our base. And as you guys see here, I'm really packing this color on. I want this to be a true white. I don't want it to look translucent. Now we're gonna work on doing a smoked out wing. So I'm starting off by taking the shade Lights Out. Then I'm also gonna use the shade Nuke and Ecstasy. And we're just gonna make a kind of darkest to lightest gradient effect wing just to add a little pop. Then I went ahead and did my face and other eye off camera just to save us some time. And now we're just working on the bottom lash line. I am taking the 3 shades called Lights Out, Nuke, and Ecstasy, and I'm just gonna run them on my bottom lash line. I also decided to take the shade Ecstasy with a detailed brush and just pack that on my waterline. But just be careful if you're going to do this because it is powder instead of cream, so obviously it can irritate your eyes. Then we're taking the They Real mascara by Benefit Cosmetics and making sure that we put a couple of coats because we need them to blend with the falsies. I did the falsies off camera and that will basically complete this look. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.